Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you unlock your TikTok account. So in order to unlock your TikTok account, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, open the TikTok application and log into your account. And what you need to do is, next you click on the profile at the bottom of the page and then tap on the tab bar icon and go to settings and privacy. While you're on this section, scroll down right to the bottom and click on report a problem. When you go to the report a problem section, you then need to click on account and profile, then click on login. When you go to the login section, there you have these login button, and underneath click on suspended account. When you click on the suspended account section, there you could read the terms and tap to check if your account has been suspended. And what you need is, you just need to simply send a request stating that your account has been suspended or that your account has been locked. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt and you can report, or you could submit a report, and it's going to take 24 to 48 hours in order to get back the response. So till then, you just wait patiently, and that is how you could unlock your TikTok account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.